I've showed her that like 10 times. It's because she's using her own.
You need somebody's clean spit. You want me to do it with my clean spit?
I'm trying not to fall.
Alright, okay. Let's go find...
Look for something.
Can I drink water now? Cause,
I don't have my mug. I would buy you a bottle of water because you're not drinking like that.
Yeah, you're... I think she's... Can you open your mouth? I think you might be No, let me see your teeth. No, let me see your wisdom teeth.
they're gone.
I mean, where they took them.
I
I think she might be bleeding again because her mouth is a lot worse. Alright, you're not helping me at all, but...
Here, just go buy
I-
a bottle of water and use it.
don't see.
Here. Go
Her
buy a
mouth
bottle
is
of
looking bloodier and bloodier. Come on. Forget you.
Do they have cherry? I've been looking all over for cherry.
Maybe you don't need cherry anymore. Is that green?
water. What'd you find?
She can't have it anyway, I don't think. Gum.
Oh no, you can't have gum, honey.
What is
There's no cherry. I don't think they make cherry anymore.
This is what flavor?
Okay. Let's go get a bottle of water.
I can't have these things. I think I'm gonna fall on my face.